A very important concept in Angular is transferring data from the parent component to the child component. So suppose that we have a page called home and we want to transfer data, or we want to transfer a variable to a component called weather. So I have here a component called weather. Let's open it and check what is there. As you can see here, we have a weather component class, and inside it we have a variable called temp, which is just temperature, short for temperature. And suppose that I want to transfer data. Suppose that I want to set the temperature variable from the home page. So the home page here, we have home.html, and if I add here the weather component, as you can see here, we have the weather tag. And if I want to pass or set the weather variable, and if I want to set the temperature variable here from the home, what I would do is that first of all, I need to make this temperature an input. I should add first the input decorator, input, and also import it. It will be automatically imported from the Angular core, but if it's not imported automatically, then make sure to import it here. And then this now is accessible by the home, meaning that if we pass the value from the home to the weather, it's going to be set. But how are we going to accomplish that? How can we access this temperature variable from the home? Well, it's very, very simple. In the home.html, we already have here the tag. And in order to set this temperature, what I would do is that I would here type temp for temperature and then equals to the value that I want to pass. Maybe I want to set the temperature to be 40. And as you can see in the constructor, it's 30. But since I passed it here from the home, it's going to be changed to 40. It's going to be changed to 40. Now, if I save everything and go to and just use the Ionic serve and then hit enter. So as you can see now, we have here the temperature is 40, not 30, because we changed the value from the home. We passed the value from the home to the weather component. But this is actually not very useful. What's useful is that suppose that I have here a home, in the home.ts, a function that is going to calculate the temperature. So for example, let's say we have here a variable called, let's here create a variable called public, and then T for temperature, and then we set it in the constructor or in any function. Here, let's say this dot T equals to 50. And if I pass, now if I pass this T into the temp instead of 40, what I'm gonna get is that I'm gonna get 50. And as you can see, we get here 50 because we changed the value in the home page. So this is how you can pass a value from the home to the child. So if you like this video, make sure to share, like, and subscribe. And also make sure to check the description below because I have important information as well as a free ebook on how to make money coding. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.